These hillocks are ideal place for porcupines. Porcupines like to stay in some of the crevices and caves in these rocky hillocks. Porcupines are nocturnal. Before dawn, they rush back to their dens in these hillocks. Porcupines eat roots, fruits, insects, small vertebrates, and agricultural crops. They also eat food leftovers thrown in garbage dumps. They chew bones to get calcium and other minerals. Porcupines have keen sense of smell to locate food and navigate their environment. This Indian crested porcupine weighs between 11 to 18 kgs. Porcupines are about 3 feet long. Porcupines are interesting creatures with body covered by quills. The quills are black with alternating white and black bands. The quills are made of keratin. Each quill is connected to a muscle at the base. The longest quills are about 20 inches long. The shorter quills at the back and rump are more rigid. When threatened, porcupines move backwards and stab with these short, rigid quills. People often get nervous at the sight of a porcupine rushing backwards towards them. The story of porcupines shooting the quills is a myth. The rattling sound produced by the longer hollow quills at the neck and shoulders contribute to this myth. In India and in Southeast Asia, porcupines are hunted for their meat. Due to uncontrolled tourism, many of the once pristine places have turned into garbage dumps. Porcupines are found scavenging for food and nutrients. Porcupines are found to be chewing plastics. No studies have been conducted to understand the impact of plastics on porcupines. If this content resonates with you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please share your views in the comments below.